Meaning of Gene Autry.
Gene Autry.
Gene Autry.
Gene Autry.
Gene Autry. Gene Autry was an American singer, songwriter, actor, and rodeo performer who became a popular Western icon in the 1930s, 40s, and 50s. He was known as the Singing Cowboy and starred in numerous films and television shows. Autry's music often had a patriotic and nostalgic tone, reflecting his love for traditional American values and the Western way of life. Additionally, he owned various business interests, including a baseball team and a rodeo company. Today, Gene Autry is remembered as a legendary figure in Western culture and a symbol of American entertainment history.